MP9, yeah.
Yeah, MP9.
Oh, MP9.
Yeah. Okay.
In the back, but you know.
I was gonna say I'm the big blue.
Shooting your own teammate? Let's go. Where are they?
Very bad idea. Do they have kill house now?
Yeah.
I hear people. Yeah, I was gonna say I hear people yelling bang.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Really? Then this side's clear, dude.
There's 5 or 6 people doing rough kill. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard him yell bang. And I'm like, okay.
There's only one guy up there.
That kill?
No, at the flag. Oh. Hey, just follow me.
Where's our flag?
I'll take this or whatever.
Where's the second flag? Move, move, move.
Oh, hit.
I heard that too. Shot me again.
I need to adjust my hop up.
I'm hit.
Do and drive. Hey, move up. Take this corner.
Where they at?
Hey, dude, just rush
They're
kill house.
behind the kill house. Let me reload.
Oh, I got range.
Next to you. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I was like, what the hell was that? I gotta adjust my hop up bad, dude.
Whoa.
No, that was us.
Is that us? Oh.
Move up. Hey, you right-handed?
Yeah.
Check this side.
I got you. You lefty?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to move up. They're right there. I think we're good.
Oh, heads up, heads up.
Yep, yeah. Right at the
I
door.
don't have that kind of range.
Let me move back here. Take them out.
Hey, there's someone behind that tree.
Roger. There's 2 behind that door. One on the left side, one on the right side. Alright, right over there.
Oh, the house?
No. Where the door is over there. Behind you. No, you go.
Ah, come on. Baseline!
Where?
Baseline! Is there any in the kill house?
I think there's 1 or 2 or something. Having a dance party? Hey. Keep me covered. Hey.
Stop.
You reloaded. Hey. You reloaded.
Hey!
Alright, whatever. He's good. I'm trying to move up. Alright. Hey. I'm moving. Hit! Fuck, bro. Hey there. What's happening?
I can't play this game anymore.
Why? Huh?
This game is basically over. They've got a freaking 3 guys over here, 9 guys over here, a Polish truck sitting right on the other end of the time.
Yeah. Shit.